if A and B are constant vectors, then A and B are constant vectors, then gradient of A dot B cross R is. What is a constant vector? Suppose A, I can do here, A is equal to one vector A0 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Constant vector means each coefficient of I cap, j cap, k cap, that must be a constant, that is constant vector, right? Similarly, B also a constant vector, that is B0 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Now another parameter A and B, R is the position vector, that is, what is position vector? Xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Now let us calculate this, then only we know which option is correct, right? Gradient of, what is gradient? First we can find B cross R. What is B cross R? Right, B cross R is equal to I cap, j cap, k cap, right? What is the coefficient of B? That is B0, 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 B0. I cap coefficient is B0, j cap coefficient is B0. Now R coefficient is x, y, z. Now if I expand this, what is I cap? I can take a B0 out, right? Okay. So B0 we can keep with all. I cap B0 into z minus y, right? Z minus y minus B0 j cap into, right? That means z minus x, right? Alright. Plus B0 k cap into, right? That is B0 k cap into y minus x. Now if I take a dot with A, right? If I take this dot with A, then A is I dot I 1, right? Then here A0 B0, A0 B0 Z. I am finding A dot B cross R, right? A0 B0 into I dot I1 into Z minus Y. Here J dot J, that is 1. Here we have A0 minus A0 B0 into Z minus X. Am I right? Alright. Now again A0 B0 into K dot K cap 1 Y minus X. Now I should take the gradient, right? That means I should take the gradient of this. What is gradient? I can take it here. I cap dou by dou x plus j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z of this, right? Then here also with respect to x you do, right? Here you can take x. This A0 B0 is a constant, right? So I am writing A0 B0 is a constant. What is remaining here? Z minus y, right? Plus Z minus x, right? Minus of minus Z plus x, right? Plus y minus x, right? Alright. Now this is basically this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So total answer is 0, right? We need not calculate the this B cross R dot A itself is 0 when we expanding this, right? So the answer is 0. Option D is correct, right? Alright. Option D is correct. Alright.